Hello everyone, welcome back. We're going to get started with the coding for Ghost Hunt. So first things first, go to Scratch, sign in to Kezia class. Okay, if you don't sign in, I cannot check your work. Alright, so sign in to Kezia class, finish, go to Create. Alright, we're going to make a new project today. It's called Ghost Hunt. I need you to change the title, write your name, and then write today's project, Ghost Hunt. Okay, finish, delete the cat. We are going to add two sprites today, a witch and a ghost. Don't worry if the sprite is big, we can change the size later. Okay, finally, let's add some backdrop. We're going to go to the stage. I'm going to choose a night city. Okay, very nice. Now, let's get started with the coding. We are going to add music into our game. So let's click onto the stage backdrop. Let's go to sounds. I don't want this sound. Nope. Let's delete this. And we're going to add another sound, video game 1. Very nice. Let's add this. Finish adding. Let's go to code. And we're going to add a code to play music. When green flag click, control forever, play sound, video game until done. Okay, so the game will play forever non-stop like this. Alright, finish. Let's move on to our witch sprite. Click the witch sprite, change the size to 50 over here. Okay, so that the witch is smaller. There we go. And then now let's add our coding for the witch to follow our mouse pointer. Events, when green flag is clicked. Okay, when green flag click, go to motion. Let's make the witch start at this corner. Okay, go to x minus 200, y minus 100. Okay, we're going to start at the corner here. Now, how to make the witch move following your mouse? Control, use a forever block, forever, motion, point towards your mouse pointer, so that's where you're moving, and we are going to move. Move 10 steps. Okay, so it should look something like this. Okay, a funny looking witch, right? Alright. Okay, finish the witch. Let's go to the ghost. Click on ghost. Change the size, too big. So let's make it about 50. Very good size. Okay, and then we're going to start coding for the ghost to glide randomly around. So let's start with this. When green flag is clicked for your ghost. Alright, first we are going to go to looks. We're going to hide the ghost. Hide the ghost. And then, forever, we want the ghost to go to motion. It's going to glide to a random position. Once it chooses its spot, we're going to make the ghost forever show itself then. Okay, let's test this out. Our ghost should be randomly. Okay, very nice. Good job. All done. Now, let's add more excitement to our game. We're going to add score and time and a touching code for the ghost and witch. So, I'm going to move my code to the side. I'm going to code over here with the space. I'm going to go to variables, make a variable. Alright, we're going to call this score for all the sprites. Okay. And then we're going to start coding. When green flag is clicked, variable, set my score to 0. We start at 0 score. Okay, you should see the score here. And then what we're going to do is forever, okay, since we are using the ghost, if the ghost senses itself touching who? Touching the witch, Okay, forever, if the ghost touches the witch, then we're going to make the score increase. Variables, change score by 1. Now let's add more excitement. We're going to make the ghost pop and disappear. Okay, so how to do that? Go to sounds, delete this sound. We're going to find the pop sound. Okay, pop, code. Alright, we're going to play the sound pop. So start sound pop. Okay, and then it's going to hide itself. The ghost is going to hide and disappear. Then it's going to glide to a random position after it hides. After it chooses the next spot, then it finally shows itself again. Okay, so let me zoom out on the code. This is our interaction code. You have your score changing. You have your touching witch. What happens? So let's test this out. Everyone look at the score when the witch touched the ghost, okay? There we go, and the score should keep increasing when you catch more ghosts, okay? Now, the game is going to continue forever. We need to stop somewhere. Let's add a timer, okay? A countdown timer from 20 to 0. So, Miss Claire is going to continue on this page here. I'm going to find an empty space, maybe here. I'm going to make a new variable called time. Make a variable, let's call it time. For all the sprites, okay. So, when green flag is clicked, first is we are going to set a time of 20 seconds. Set time to 20 seconds. Okay? Then what happens next? We are going to wait 1 second and then we are going to minus the time by 1. Okay? Change time by -1. So that means after every second we wait, we want to minus 1 to the time. So if we want to minus 1, how many times must we repeat this until we get 0? 20 times. So let's go to control, take out the repeat block, repeat 20 times. We are going to wait and minus 1. So that means after this code finish, the time should be reduced to 0. Okay? And then when it's 0, after that at the end, we are going to add a stop code. Game over. Okay, the whole game will freeze. Alright, so let's watch and see how this works. I'm going to zoom out. This is your whole code just for the ghost. Don't forget, witch also has a code. Background also has a code. Okay, but your ghost has the most codes. Alright, let's have a full run. Okay, see, the timer is running. Let's go. Catch ghost. Alright, and then time equals 0, game over, freeze. Okay, so everyone have fun with your work today. Enjoy the process. See you next time. So Kezia, remember before you do anything else, please click File, Save Now, save your work. Okay, make sure you see the sign project saved. Then you need to sign out. Alright, sign out already, go back to eCampus and do up the last short reflection. Okay, so that's all for today. Have fun, see you next time.